Hi and welcome back to another video of Medic Notes. This video is on aortic dissection. An aortic dissection is a serious condition in which a tear occurs in the inner layer of the body's main artery, aorta. Blood rushes through the tear, causing the inner and middle layers of the aorta to split. If the blood goes through the outside aortic wall, aortic dissection is often deadly. Causes of aortic dissection include atherosclerosis, Marfan's syndrome, pregnancy, Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, trauma, hypertension, advanced age, coarctation of aorta, and giant cell arteritis. Clinical features. Symptoms are severe pain at chest, back, abdomen, legs, depending on origin of aneurysm. As for signs, heart failure and hypotension. Examine all peripheral pulses and look for unequal BP in both arms. Look for signs of ischemia in myocardium. In limbs, look for pallor, cold, and absent peripheral pulses. Difference of 20 mm of mercury between systolic arterial pressures of opposite limbs. Brain stroke, spinal cord paraplegia, kidney anuria, gut ischemia. Other signs include aortic regurgitation, hemopericardium, or left pleural effusion. For investigations, chest X-ray. Findings include mediastinal widening, change of configuration of thoracic aorta, extension of aortic shadow beyond a calcified aortic wall, left pleural effusion, and blood around the apex of lung, also called capping. Other tests include ECG, CT chest and abdomen to fully delineate the extent of dissection, MRI, echocardiography to look for widening or double lumen of aorta, and aortography. Stanford classification. Type A includes all proximal dissections and distal dissections that extend proximally to involve the arch and ascending aorta, whereas Type B includes all other distal dissections without proximal extension. Management of aortic dissection. Supportive care including airway breathing circulation. Pain control with IV morphine. All patients admitted into ICU. Intra-arterial BP monitoring. BP control. And beta blockers like propranolol or labetalol. Definitive therapy for Type A dissection will be emergency surgery. Whereas for Type B, medical therapy for stable patients, surgery indicated for appearance of aortic regurgitation, pericardial tamponade, leakage of aneurysm, occlusion of a major systemic artery. Persistence of severe pain or hypertension. Progressive enlargement of aneurysm, saccular aneurysm formation, or dissecting aneurysm in Marfan's syndrome. Another option is percutaneous stenting of aorta with an endovascular graft in selected cases. Chronic therapy includes aggressive medical control of blood pressure with beta blocker, target BP less than 120 and 80 mm of mercury. And patients require CT surveillance once or twice per year. That's all for this video. Thank you.